This is a normal website, and this is the final result. In this video I will show you how you can pen test a website through FTP brute force. Remember that I am doing this in a controlled environment, and you should only do this if you have permission from the server owner. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest hacking tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. The first step is to find out the website's IP. In my case, this is the one on the screen because I am hosting it locally. But if I wasn't, this was the way to find out. We type ns lookup and the website URL. If we copy this IP and open it in Firefox, we can see that this is the Google website. Now we need to validate which services are running on the server. For this, we use the nmap command and the server IP. As you can see, this website is running FTP and HTTP service. We look for the FTP service, which stands for File Transfer Protocol, and is running on port 21. Now we need to create a list with possible names of super users, or if you prefer, you can download one online. For this video, we will create one. So, super admin, admin, root, and super root. We save and close. Now let's use a word list that is already in the system, and we can find it in the word lists directory. So if we use the cd command and type /usr/share/wordlists, we have the word lists directory. Now let's use a word list that is in the Metasploit folder. The word list we want to use is common_roots. Here it is. Now let's run our pen test. So we return to the desktop directory. And let's run the following command. Hydra -L, our list of users, -P, the path of password word list, the website's IP, and the service. Now we wait. As you can see, we already have a result, but it could take minutes, hours, days, months, and it could even lead to nothing. Now if we use a FTP client like FileZilla, we can try this password. So we copy. We type FileZilla. If you don't have FileZilla installed, you can install it with the command sudo apt-get install FileZilla. Now we write the server's IP. We copy the username. We copy the password. And we press login. And we're in. As you can see, these are the website files. Now let's open the website and delete all files. Right-click and delete. Or just select all and press delete. Now if we refresh the page, the site is gone. Let's upload a file I developed to the server that redirects to another website. As you can see, this is a base HTML file that redirects to another website when the page loads. Let's see the final result. We copy the file, paste it, and last but not least, we refresh the page. And that's it. If we try again with the website's IP, the result is the same. Alright everybody. And this is how we pentest a website through FTP.